To begin with this Madhubani art, I am using disposable plate and draw a peacock picture. You can draw any picture like birds, animals, god, goddess, whatever you like. I filled this picture with very small details, and now I am going to color these small details with different vibrant color. To fill the side parts, I am simply drawing branches and small leaves. Here I am using black marker to highlight the outline of this picture. I used white color for more detailing, and also I made golden border with black outline to highlight the picture.